In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and select a vector icon using the Material Design Icons plugin in Chrome. To begin, open the Material Design Icons plugin application panel inside your Chrome browser. Make sure the panel is fully visible so you can easily navigate through the options without feeling cramped. If this is your first time using the plugin, take a quick moment to look over the layout. This helps you understand where the search area is and how the icon results are displayed, which will make the process much smoother. Once the plugin panel is open, go to the navigation search bar. This is the main area you'll use to locate the icon you need. In the search field, type your target keyword. For example, if you're looking for an icon related to settings, you can type settings. If you need a profile-related symbol, try a word like user. The key here is to choose a simple, relevant keyword that closely matches the kind of icon you want. Using clear search terms usually gives better results and saves time. After entering your keyword, look through the results list that appears. The plugin will display a selection of matching vector icons based on the word you searched for. Take a moment to review the available options carefully. Even if several icons seem similar at first glance, small design differences can affect which one works best for your project. Pay attention to the shape, style, and overall visual clarity of each result. When you find the icon you want, click on the corresponding vector icon tile block from the results list. This selects the icon directly from the plugin interface. Be sure you're clicking the exact icon you intend to use, especially if multiple versions appear with only slight variations. Choosing the right one now can help you avoid going back and searching again later. And that's it. The process is simple. Open the Material Design Icons plugin panel in Chrome, search using a relevant keyword, and click the icon tile you want from the results. If you're not seeing the perfect result right away, try adjusting your search term to something broader or more specific while staying within the same workflow. With just these few actions, you can quickly locate the vector icon that fits your design needs and keep your work moving efficiently.